Right, welcome to another video. Again, it's a shambles, but that is what you get when you come to this channel. I did a bunch of stuff to the Scirocco recently, so there's like 4 different things in here, each slightly different category of modification maybe. So yeah, make sure you watch the whole thing. Check out my Instagram in the description for more pictures and more content of the Scirocco if you want that, and enjoy the video. See you guys later. Right, good morning guys. It is it's currently 10:10 and I need to be in Birmingham by 12, which is like a 2 and a bit hour drive away from me. I need to go get petrol first and also grab all my camera gear so we can time lapse this shit and fix my hair. Right, so I've just stopped at the petrol station, filled up, got some drinks for the road, and yeah, let's get going to Birmingham. It's about a 2:10 drive from where I am now, and it's currently 10:30, so we're gonna have to try and turn that 2:10 into like an 1.5-hour drive, which we'll see how we do. I've got the GoPro doing the time lapse, so you can have a time lapse. I don't really know. And oh, the reason I'm going. Yeah, shit, I haven't mentioned that. So some guy reached out to me on Instagram and said, hey, look, if you're ever in Birmingham, I can fix your speedometer and app connect for you. The speedometer I actually managed to get working with Carista. Everyone in the comments was right, it does work. I was just being an idiot. Big surprise. But yeah, I was like, fuck it, I'm not doing anything today. Let me come up and get it sorted. So, here we go. Right, I'm focus on the road and I will catch up with you lot in a bit. There is currently a sexy little McLaren pulling up on me. Let's see if I can get it in camera. God. Yeah! Lit. McLaren, his license plate is speed up. That's so good. You've already got the whole kit and everything. That's cool. I finally made it to Birmingham. Here's some clips of Ty installing the Apple CarPlay for me. Make sure to check out his Instagram, the link is in the description and also on the screen. Yeah, he's on a sound job, and yeah. Cheers, Ty. Oh yeah. Hope you're watching this video and enjoy. That's sick, actually. We've got Ty's Scirocco and mine. Yeah, after installing the Apple CarPlay, Ty was very kind and took me out in his stage 1 Scirocco, and let me tell you, it was nuts. I'm very hyped for getting mine stage 1 after seeing that. Yeah, it was sick. Thank you again, Ty, and all these clips were filmed on private land. Right, I've just got back from Birmingham. Big shout out to Ty at Retrofit West Midlands for doing the CarPlay for me. His Instagram's in the link, but he sort of check it out, and if you need your CarPlay added to your VW, definitely hit him up. Super nice guy, super chill. He did the work, it's flawless. Yeah, that was the CarPlay bit. So, now the next bit. Right, wow, that is crooked. I'll straighten up later. Hi guys, real quick, for some context. I ordered some bonnet struts to try and install, and they did not fit, and I could not make them fit. So what you're about to see is me giving up and just installing some eyelids on the car. Enjoy. We've had an absolute shambles with the bonnet struts. They're slightly too long and I don't have any way to fix it. So what we're going to do instead is the eyelids. And the eyelids will go just here and give it a bit more of an angular look. So first off, let's clean up the lights. Cool. Once again, trusty Rain X does the job every time. It's just kind of the up top here that we mainly want clean, because that's where we're going to be sticking it. But while we're doing it, there's no point in not doing all of it. Cool, and let's go grab the eyelid. So quite simply, this piece of carbon fibre plastic is the eyelid, and it just slots in like this. And you can see straight away, it just gives it more of a aggressive look. It removes all of this sort of boring curvy plastic up here. Just makes it a bit more aggressive. Quite simply stuck on with adhesive, peel these two off, stick, hold, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, you're done. And it lines up actually pretty well. So let's give this a go. My battery on the camera is telling me it's about to die, which is sad. But if I can just get one on, I'll do the one off camera and then show you the final result. Cool, adhesives are now, I was about to say live, I don't think that's the right kind of word. Putting even pressure everywhere, making sure it's fitting properly. What I would have liked is an adhesive strip on top, that would have been nice, just to get it a bit more secure. Right, I'm going to do this for a bit and come back to you. So here is what it looks like without an eyelid. If we come around here, there's what it looks like with. So you can see it actually does make a little bit of a difference. But yeah, just a nice little cosmetic. Cool, so that is them both on. Again, just something to make it a little different, stand out. Don't actually know if I like them or not, but we're going to keep them on there for a while and see. Again, it's only adhesive, so I can take it off whenever. Right, hello again, it's me. So I got a new camera, a 360 camera, and clearly haven't figured out how it works properly. So can't use some of the footage I recorded because I didn't frame it right, and it's literally recording nothing that I want it to. So I apologise for that, but to give you a quick rundown, bought a short shifter, and this is just us trying to install it. The first time it didn't go well, I couldn't get it out, but then I went and got some help and we got it out in the end. Really cool. The throw before was about 4 inches total from front to back, I think. It was about 4 inches, and now it's down to about 3 inches. So we've taken an inch off. It's not massive, but the main thing is it feels a lot stiffer. It's a lot more notchy putting it into gears, and that's kind of what I was hoping to achieve. It's not like the flimsy Golf VW standard shifter anymore. It's just, it kind of feels a bit more notchy. So apologies for that, but yeah, enjoy the rest because it's carnage. We failed at putting a short shifter in, but we managed to reassemble it without breaking it all. So I count that as a win. Pub? Yeah, pub. Right, well I'll see you guys next clip when I try this again, and hopefully it goes well. Yeah, that's those emerald struts. Look at this. Right, catch you guys in a bit.
This is cool. I've only got one rubbish.
There was a C clip and there was a circular clip, which we took off.
What, underneath?
No, I'll show you where it is.
It's everywhere.
I don't like to see the camera.
Oh no, it is on you.
13, I think.
21.
Can you do
Oh god. Oh, that's a long boy.
This clip was originally about 40 minutes long before the camera ran out of storage.
It probably took us about an hour to get this short shifter done, just because it was so seized in there that we couldn't get it out. It took a lot of force to get it out of there, more than it probably should have. But regardless, now out and the new one's in. There'll be a clip in a second of the new one, and yeah, definitely recommend it if anyone's got a VW manual. It makes such a difference. It shouldn't be that much hassle. Unfortunately, mine was just seized, and that's why it took so long. But apart from that, easy job. Probably do it on your own. Maybe grab one other guy to help if you're not strong enough like me. But yeah, it's good. It's good. It's all good. Works good. Runs good. Looks good. Sounds good. Feels good. All good. Good. Right, anyway. Right, as you can see, we have now... Oh, you can't see shit. Let me expose that. That is the new shifter. This is the old one. That is the new one, and Will is currently playing with the gears. So you can see it all working. Oi, what are you doing in my car? Oh yeah, I need the intake back, don't I? Right, so the short shift is in. There is less throw, and I will show you in a minute. Oh, I've got a black mark on my head from the grease. But yeah, I now just have to tighten the induction kit. And yeah, should be good. Yeah, it's definitely shorter. The throw forward feels a lot more shorter than the throw back, but I think that's kind of normal. It went really far back before and not that far forward before, so I think that's still normal. Feels a lot more notchy, which is good. Excited to get on the road and test, and hopefully it doesn't all fall apart when I'm driving, because that would not be fun. But yeah, cool.
Does anyone see anything?
I see you struggling.
Other than that.
Right, how's it going, guys? So I bought some vinyl, and basically we're gonna tint the rear tail lights, and hopefully it looks good. So yeah, let's do that.
Put it round and round and then
Right, so as you just saw, I do not know how to wrap a car. Yeah, so I'm about to head down to Southampton now and go to a company called Amiga Wraps, who have found me a time slot at quite late notice to get my rear lights done. Yeah, not much else to say. Let's get on the road and I will show you when we're there. Cool? Right, I'm driving along and I'm going to have to pull off at the services because, well, I've run out of washer fluid, and look at this. Oh, it's not doing it now. A minute ago it went pure white and I just couldn't see jack shit. So this is what I can currently see. Jack shit. Fun. Right, so I made it to Amigo Customs. Hell of a drive, just because the sun is, well, saying the sun's bright is a stupid statement, but you just really can't see out there today. It's cool. They've got a lot of cool cars out here. That's a van, I thought it was a car. But yeah, the guy's taking it in already. He's going to do a medium tint on it. He was like, we've either got medium or we've got dark. He recommended medium. And I said, you know what, yeah, just get rid of some of that redness and that'll be sound. So I'm out here just chilling in their reception area until he gets me. Cool, I'll keep you updated. I got bored, so I made this tidy. This was what I messed before. You're welcome. Right, so I've literally just got back from Southampton where Amiga Wraps did this, and you can see the lights here. the camera doesn't quite do it justice. It's still a bit overexposed. Let me see if I can try and match what I'm seeing. It's probably something closer to that, maybe still a bit darker. But yeah, looks really cool, and the lights have just gone off. So when this car does get cleaned, and I will clean it eventually, they said to wait a week before I clean it, just to make sure it doesn't come off with a pressure washer or anything. But yeah, I'm thinking it looks sick. This is the medium option. I'm kind of wondering if maybe I should have gone for the darker one, but I'm not sure. I quite like it. Just gets rid of that brightness of the red and gives it a bit of a darker tone. But yeah, make sure you let me know in the comments. Should I have gone darker, or do you guys like it like that? I think it looks good. Let's close this door real quick. Buy a jacket. Because I think you'd look at it and it's really subtle, but because I know what it was before, it just looks much nicer.
Right, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all of that kind of stuff. And check out the links in the description. You've got my Instagram, you've got Retrofit West Midlands Instagram, as well as some of the boys who helped me work on the cars Instagram. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. There's more coming in the future. I've just done a rear diffuser install, so that should be coming soon. A splitter is on the way. I had to return the one I bought because it was absolute shit. But yeah, please let me know in the comments below and what you want to see from the car, what videos ideas you have, if you have any. Be great to hear them, and yeah, thank you again. I'll see you guys in the next one.